Hello, this is Briar Oliver, and this is my CIS 222 Windows Server project number 2. So in this project, we had to install a domain in the Windows Server and the Windows 10 client computer. So first, I will show you the domain details of the Windows Server in the Server Manager. So I'm on Windows Server. Here are the details, the properties for CIS 222 DC01, the domain name, computer name, the IP address. So let me minimize this here real quick. Get out of this. Now I'll show you my Windows 10 IP address. So I'll just go in here and type in command to pull up command prompt. Now I'll type in IP config, run that. The IP address for my client computer is 192.168.0.6. So I will close out of that, and I will shut down my Windows 10 server so I can show you that I can log in to the domain from the computer. Just have to give it a second to boot up. Look here. There's my administrator account. I can also log in under my other user with my name and my password, but I'm not going to be doing that because I want to show you that I can log into my domain. So here's my password, enter. And there we go, I have logged into my domain from my client computer. And that is all for the CIS 222 Windows Server Project 2.